What's up guys? Are you looking for the best portable blenders in your budget? Today's video is on the top 5 best portable blenders in 2024. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, quality, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. The 5th product on our list is the nutribullet Pro 900 Watt Personal Blender. We've tested all 6 personal blender models nutribullet makes, and they're all top contenders. It was tough to pick a single favorite, but we decided the Pro 900 offers the best balance of price and performance. It earned perfect scores across all categories, with a 900-watt motor that had no trouble crushing ice and frozen fruit or blending kale and blueberries into a smooth mix with virtually no bits of leaf or skin. This blender comes with 2 32-ounce cups, big enough for really hearty servings but still hoistable with one hand. Fear not, small-handed readers. You also get screw-on lip rings with attached handles for easy holding. Flip-top lids allow you to protect and enjoy your beverage on the go, though ours did dribble a bit when tipped over. It's probably best to carry them upright instead of tossing them in a backpack or gym bag. The huge cups are nice, but it's a bit disappointing you don't get any options for smaller servings that might fit better in a car cup holder. With that said, there are lots of nutribullet accessories you can buy separately, including 18 and 24-ounce cups. Up next in the 4th place is the Beast Mini Blender. Beast is the rare blender brand that pays as much attention to aesthetics as it does to function. We love the minimalist look of the base, the distinctive ribbed jar, and the 5 available colors, as well as the powerful motor. Beast New Mini Blender was released after we finished our head-to-head tests, but we tested this mini model separately and can confirm that it's worth its $99 price tag. The 600-watt motor made short work of smoothies full of tough-to-blend ingredients like sticky almond butter, dense dates, and tough kale. It was able to keep up with a legendary Vitamix blender with less noise to boot. When it's time for cleaning, the jar, lid, and blade can all be popped into the top shelf of the dishwasher. To match its minimalist look, the Beast Mini includes minimal accessories. It comes with a single large capacity cup and a single storage straw lid. If you want to take multiple smoothies to go at once, you'll have to pay extra for the Mini Plus, which adds 2 smaller jars with storage lids. The 3rd product on our list is the generic Beautiful Portable Blender. This portable blender's cordless battery lets you fill it with ingredients and then throw it in a soft, cooler bag to blend fresh at work, at a potluck, or at the beach. It can run up to 30 blending sessions on a single charge, and despite its 70-watt motor, it was able to make a smooth puree in all of our tests. It struggled at first, but it helped to add a little extra liquid juice for a smoothie and oil for pesto than we did with other models. The portable functionality is very impressive, but you have to carry the blending base around with this model. The jar and sipping lid come off the blades for cleaning, they're dishwasher safe, but there's nothing to cover the bottom of the jar and turn it into a travel cup. It's also rather small, at just 16 ounces, though anything much bigger would interfere with it being portable. Second on our list is the Ninja BC 151BK Blast Portable Blender. The Ninja Blast proves true to its name and blasts through smoothie ingredients to produce silky smooth results. In our testing, we marvel at how it handles frozen fruit and ice. It handles up to 18 ounces at once. We find this blender particularly easy to use. The light ring around the start-stop button changes color to indicate the state of the blender. For instance, green means the device is at full power, purple means ready to blend. A single button press of the button activates a 30-second blend cycle. One thing that truly sets the Ninja Blast apart from the competition is its separate power and blend buttons. You must keep the vessel attached to the base while drinking. You can ensure the blender is off, so there's far less chance of accidentally starting a blend cycle. The lid to the Ninja Blast has a spout for sipping and a cover that securely latches to prevent spills. We also like the carry handle. This makes it easy to carry the blender or use a carabiner to attach it to the strap of a gym bag. While other blender jars simply twist-click into place, the jar of the Ninja Blast truly screws into the base. This adds peace of mind that the seal is secure. This isn't the lightest portable blender on our list. However, it feels particularly balanced. While drinking, it doesn't necessarily feel like you've got a blender under your cup. The Ninja Blast comes in 6 different colors, and the sipping lid matches the color of the base. A USB-C charging cable comes with the blender. However, it doesn't come with a wall plug. You'll need a separate USB plug block, or you can plug it into a USB outlet in your car or computer. Finally, the top product on our list is the Hamilton Beach Portable Blender. Hamilton Beach has you covered if you'd like an ultra-compact portable blender that won't break the bank. Its single-button portable blender comes with a screw-on flip-top sipping lid, so you can sip directly from it after making a drink. The blender and vessel have a concave shape, making it easier to grab and hold in one hand. The vessel is a little smaller than the ones found in other portable blenders we're recommending, but it's not immediately noticeable. What does stand out is this portable blender's $21 price tag. This is an AC-powered blender, but its power cord can be neatly tucked away inside a cutout around its base, so you won't have a cord dangling around in a bag. This design choice also makes Hamilton Beach's portable blender a solid choice for those who want a blend, grab, and go style solution. If you're eyeing a portable blender on a budget, you won't find a better choice than this one from Hamilton Beach. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and check out the description for links to updated pricing for products mentioned in the video. Until next time.